Let's make Vietnamese pickled daikon and carrots. They are a sweet and tangy condiment used on banh mi sandwiches, but I also like to make them for a tasty, crunchy snack. Peel and slice daikon and carrots in uniform sizes, matchstick size for banh mi's, and a little thicker for snack size. In a large bowl, generously salt the vegetables evenly. Toss to coat. Allow the salt to remove the moisture from the vegetables 1 to 3 hours if they are snack size and 45 minutes if they are the size for the banh mi. Drain the liquid and give the vegetables a good rinse to remove the salt. Squeeze the vegetables while rinsing to remove any extra salt and liquid. Pat vegetables dry and leave to air dry while you make the brine. In a saucepan, cook vinegar, water, sugar, and salt. Cook until the sugar is completely dissolved, then remove from heat. Allow the brine to cool to room temperature. Pack jars with vegetables, then pour the brine over the vegetables. Screw on the lids and refrigerate. You can eat the daikon and carrots within 24 hours, but they are best after 3 days of pickling. For full recipe and tips, hit the link in the description and visit aforkstail.com.